Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. Today I'm going to show you how to make matcha cookies using pancake mix. These are what you need. 200 gram pancake mix, 20 gram matcha powder already mixed, 80 gram sugar, 100 gram butter, room temperature. This is a pancake mix I'm using today, but you can use any other pancake mix. Let's put this room temperature butter and sugar into the bowl and mix. And in here, let's shift this mixture of pancake mix and matcha powder and mix it well. When it looks like this, using a hand, you mix it and make it into one dough. This, then prepare plastic film, wrap it up. Let's put this in fridge and let it sit for half an hour. After half an hour resting, prepare oven sheet covered with parchment paper and start preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the dough between two plastic film and you roll it out. Then turn it around and roll it out. Keep doing it until you have thin layer of the cookie dough. Now I have thin layer of cookie dough. Prepare some flour in a little bowl and some cookie cutters. Put the cookie cutter in the flour and cut it out. These, after you cut it out, you just put it into one, roll it out again, and do the same until there is no dough left. Let's bake this in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes. These were baked for 10 minutes. When you try this, right after it's baked, it's soft. But when it's completely cooled down, it becomes nice and crispy. Take them out on the lug like this, cool it down completely, and it's good to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!